KidSafe 3D pen set for ages 6 plus. 3Doodler official store and retail listings commonly show Start Plus kits priced in the $40 to $80 range depending on kit and retailer. Official MSRP around $59.99 for some bundles. If you want something explicitly designed for kids in the classroom, the 3Doodler Start Plus Essentials is the type of product I'd happily demo on camera for parents. No hot parts, no burns, and a design that deliberately prioritizes safety and easy usability. The Start Plus pen family is built around a low-temperature system that uses proprietary Start plastic, safe to touch once extruded, and the newer Start Plus kits emphasize faster charging, more included filament strands, and extra stencils, basically more immediate creative mileage out of the box. The manufacturer positions Start Plus as an educational STEM tool, and they back that up with bundled activity guides and stencils so kids can practice shapes and concepts before moving on to freeform doodling. For younger kids, that's gold. They get structure plus the freedom to experiment. Customer feedback for Start Plus tends to be enthusiastic about its safety and kid-friendly learning curve. Parents consistently like that little hands can create without burn risk. The downsides that come up: it only works with Start-specific plastic, so replacement filaments must be compatible, and some older users or hobbyists will outgrow its performance if they want high detail or professional-grade extrusions. Pros: safe for kids, straightforward charging, lots of educational materials. Cons: limited to specific low-temp plastics and not aimed at advanced makers. If you're making playtime, camp activities, or classroom STEM projects, this is one of those easy, low-stress buys that pays off fast. Don't forget to pick a refill pack, and yes, we share by links in description box.